How to use Bitwarden on PC. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. And to be able to use Bitwarden onto your PC, you'll have to just head over to the Bitwarden website and simply install or download Bitwarden for your Windows or Mac. Now, once downloaded, you'll have to set that up and start running it up, and then you'll be prompted to enter in your login details. I'll just enter in my login details, and then I'll just enter in my password as well. You can also choose to have a single sign-on by enterprises. Now here, once you're logged in, you will notice that the interface is absolutely exactly the same way you see it onto your phone or onto your web browser. So right here is my vault. This is all items right here in the vault. This is a password that has been saved into the favorite section. This is something that I can create as a favorite password. In the trash section is something that I'll just delete it. This is the login types, the card details, the identity details, the secure nodes, and this is my vault specifically. Now into the send section is where I see or look into all the items that I have sent to somebody else. They could be in textual form or even in the file form. So here you can also edit something. You could copy the username, copy password, copy the verification code, look into your account and change the master password, premium membership, two-step login, fingerprint phrase, and also choose to delete your account. This is just for the help to see if you want to report in a bug or report, or go to the web vault, get the mobile app or a browser extension as well. Now this is pretty similar to the desktop, the web app, and another feature here onto the desktop settings is the fact that you can add multiple different accounts on bitwarden.com, which is an option you do not have onto the web browser. Now let's start by creating something into our vaults. Over here, let's add something more. You can simply click on the add button, and here you're gonna add in, let's just say you want to add in card details. You can add in the name, the credit card holder's name, the number, the brand, the expiration date, and just save this into a specific folder. You want to create another folder, you can do that as well. And then also you can add in notes and few custom field details if you want to add in more extra layers of security. So guys, this is how to use Bitwarden onto your PC device. Thank you so much for watching.